Welcome to Vehicle News, your trusted channel for the latest automobile updates. Today, we bring you an exclusive deep dive into the 2025 Mahindra Maxximo Mini van, a vehicle designed to dominate the commercial segment with improved efficiency, durability, and modern engineering. Let's explore what makes this new Maxximo stand out in 2025. Exterior design. The 2025 Mahindra Maxximo minivan carries forward its rugged DNA with a more refined and practical exterior. Its strengthened front fascia, high-mounted headlights, and reinforced bumper ensure maximum protection during daily commercial operations. The improved aerodynamics help reduce drag, enhancing fuel efficiency during long city runs or rural routes. Engine and performance. Mahindra has equipped the 2025 Maxximo minivan with a more efficient engine tuned for higher load carrying capability and better mileage. The updated powertrain ensures smoother acceleration even when fully loaded. Additionally, the optimized gearbox offers effortless gear shifts, making the van suitable for continuous heavy-duty commercial activity. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Maxximo minivan focuses on practicality. The cabin provides ample space for both cargo and passengers, depending on the variant. Improved seating cushioning, better ventilation, and noise reduction enhancements make long journeys more comfortable. Even though it's a commercial vehicle, Mahindra has ensured ergonomic improvements to reduce driver fatigue. Technology and features. The 2025 Maxximo introduces practical features such as an upgraded instrument cluster, better quality switches, and enhanced cabin lighting. Mahindra has added improved safety elements including stronger body panels, better braking response, and optional seatbelt reminders. These subtle yet essential upgrades make everyday operations smoother and safer. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Maxximo minivan is its improved mileage. Designed for business owners who need maximum returns on investment, the van offers excellent fuel efficiency even under full load conditions. Reduced maintenance intervals and more durable parts further contribute to lower running costs. Load capacity and practical usage. The Maxximo is built to handle heavy commercial requirements. Whether it's transporting passengers, goods, or being used in rural mobility services, its strengthened chassis and improved suspension make it suitable for diverse terrains. Mahindra has clearly focused on enhancing reliability, making the 2025 model a long-term partner for businesses. Final verdict. The 2025 Mahindra Maxximo minivan is a powerful combination of durability, economy, and practicality. With its improved engineering and business-friendly features, it stands out as a valuable choice for commercial use. Thank you for watching Vehicle News. Stay tuned for more updates from the automotive world.